Hi everyone, myself Dr. Yoganand HS, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Sai Vidya Institute of Technology. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the shock waves. Before going to the actual definition of shock waves, so some basic definitions are required. So that is the first one, Mach number. So Mach number means the speed of the object in a fluid medium are classified on the basis of this Mach number. So the Mach number is defined as it is the ratio of the speed of the object to the speed of the sound in a given medium. So that is Mach number is equal to V divided by A, where V is the object speed and A is the speed of sound. So it has no units, it is a pure number. And then the second parameter is the acoustic waves. Acoustic waves are the sound waves that travel with the speed of sound at standard temperature and pressure. The amplitude of these acoustic waves are very small. These are a type of longitudinal waves. They propagate by means of adiabatic compression and decompressions. The parameters which describe the acoustic waves are the sound, pressure, the particle velocity, particle displacement, and sound intensity. The acoustic waves travel with the speed of sound, which depends on the medium through which they are passing. The next category is the ultrasonic waves. Ultrasonic waves are also called as the pressure waves, whose frequency is beyond 20,000 hertz. The amplitude of this ultrasonic waves is very small. Next category of these waves is the subsonic waves. The subsonic is a mechanical wave or a body is moving in a fluid medium with a speed less than the speed of sound. And such speeds are referred as subsonic speeds, and the waves are called subsonic waves. Or any object which is moving in a fluid medium, the speed of the object is less than the speed of sound, which produces the disturbances in a fluid medium. That disturbances are that waves, you can call them as subsonic waves. For all the subsonic waves, the Mach number will be less than 1. Example for this subsonic waves are the flying birds, the vehicles, the speed of the vehicles. Trains are also move with the subsonic speeds. You can able to see in the diagram. The object speed is less than the speed of the sound wave. When an object is moving with the speed less than speed of sound, it left behind a series of expansion waves in the fluid medium. We call them as subsonic waves. The next category is the supersonic waves. The supersonic waves are the mechanical waves. They are produced in a fluid medium when the speed of the object is greater than the speed of the sound. For all the supersonic waves, the Mach number is greater than 1. The amplitude of these supersonic waves is very high, and these supersonic waves will affect the medium in which they travel. The example for this supersonic waves are the fighter speed of the fighter jets or the fighter planes. You can able to see that in the diagram. The speed of the object is greater than the speed of the sound. A series of expansion waves or the disturbances produced in a fluid medium, we call them as supersonic waves. Now I'll move on to the actual definition of shock wave. Any fluid that propagates with a supersonic speed or the speed of the fluid is greater than speed of sound, which produces or which give rise a shock wave. Or I can able to define in other way also. Shock wave can be produced by a sudden dissipation of mechanical energy in a medium enclosed in a small space. Or you can define in another way also in an alternate definition. A shock wave is a surface that manifests as a discontinuity in a fluid medium in which it is propagating with a supersonic speed. So we can able to observe the natural phenomena where the shock waves are produced. The shock waves are produced in nature during earthquakes and lightning. The shock waves are characterized by sudden increase in the pressure, temperature, and density of the fluid through which it propagates. The properties of shock waves are the shock waves are traveling in a medium with Mach number greater than 1. The shock waves are always obey the laws of fluid dynamics. The change in entropy of the medium due to the generation of shock waves. Shock waves are confined in a medium of very thin space of thickness about 1 micrometer. The shock waves are not electromagnetic in nature. The shock waves are not the physical waves. The shock waves are produced in a medium where the object speed is more than the speed of sound. Thank you for watching.